Vision, please come join me. Play a song to move me sexy body. In the desert it's been quiet. Now I start some call to cause a riot.
Sandstorm, we gon' cause a riot in the Sahara Desert.
Temperature is high and the air is dry. All our day we still don't mind.
Oh no, no.
We moving and whining, we suddenly stand still. Cause I must have cloud approaching.
Oh no, no.
Cause I start a warning, if it's go shell down.
A sandstorm it coming to blow we all to the ground.
Cause I start a warning, if it's go shell down.
40-70, the weather turn upside down. Sandstorm, we gon' cause a riot in the Sahara Desert.
Mayday, mayday, it is 70 seconds. Start up approaching.
Bend down, cover up.
Everybody bend down to the ground.
Bend down, cover up.
Everybody crouch down to the ground.
Cover up.
Like to run for shelter.
Crouch to the ground.
Here coming towards the center.
Cover up.
Now brace yourself. This has some mesmerized, there's only dust in the sky now.
Chaos in the air, all of the things them flying away.
Grab a hold of something, now we party madness.
Chaos in the air, all of the things them flying away.
Got no way to run away for dust coming down.
Chaos in the air, all of the things them flying away.
Grab a hold of something, now we party madness.
Chaos in the air, all of the things them flying away.
Tick, 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 just time to wait. This house don't make game to stop. This house don't make game to stop.
Ya, mire que de mi forma nos no porta cabane, un tremendo parada escolar, más o menos un Jesung School, riba camina con 4 bandas, super popular, DLS, Infusion, Bulleria, Youth Extreme, que ven, no estarán casali que weekend de un gran forma, hermano. Para mí, dinámico de emoción, y también se me quiere, me porta orgulloso, y he trabajado como pinta así, a mí me ainda mesmo, nós estamos a seguir, papi, over trabalho com tingo culminar, com tingo asina, para por hora que chega momento, se tingo drag over essa aqui, para por continuar com o trabalho que nós pinta haciendo, me haciendo nosotros andando y emocionando alto, hermano, emocionando alto.